Welcome to Day 5 Abundant Me of the 21 Days Meditation Experience. As humans, we are inherently deserving of infinite abundance from the universe. Love, joy, and abundance manifest in our lives when we consciously pay attention and focus on our intentions. Many individuals mistakenly believe that living a life filled with passion and desire is beyond their reach, convinced that they are not worthy of achieving their goals. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. It is a fundamental law of nature that what we focus on expands. When we pursue our passions with energy and enthusiasm, prosperity naturally flows into our lives. Our existence is imbued with purpose, and there are no limits to the abundance we can both give and receive. Passion serves as the conduit for our energy, allowing us to authentically express ourselves and pursue our deepest desires. So, I invite you to take a moment to relax and tune in to the wisdom of Deepak Chopra. Allow his guidance to bring abundance and fulfillment with ease into our lives and embrace the countless blessings that await us.
Passion is the free flow of natural energy that leads us toward the fulfillment of our dreams, desires, and purpose in life. When we do anything with passion, we express every aspect of who we are. Time seems to stand still as we engage in whatever activity fills us with inspiration, love, and joy. Without passion, life can feel flat or stale. Yet many people keep their passion in check or bury it so deep that they are no longer aware of its existence. It is those moments when we do what we love that we open the door to abundance and prosperity in all areas of our lives. It is that simple. Yet, as we grow up, some of us receive the message that we don't deserve to have passions, that what we want is unacceptable, or that it's wrong, impractical, or selfish to go after our dreams. We may feel powerless and think, why bother having desires when they will never be fulfilled anyway? As you listen to these words, what feelings come up for you? Do you feel connected to your passion? When you wake up in the morning, are you usually excited about your projects and plans for the day? Or do you feel lost, bored, or stuck? If you aren't doing what you love, what thoughts or beliefs are holding you back? The most common limiting beliefs focus on money and worth. So many people tell themselves, I can't make a living doing what I love. Or, that dream is just out of reach. It is really not meant to be. When you hold some part of yourself in reserve, you severely limit what life can bring to you and what you can give to life. Abundance flows when you're centered in the awareness that your true self is pure spirit, unbounded in time and space. Spirit doesn't place limits on your joy, prosperity, and fulfillment. It is our ego that creates limiting stories about why we can't make enough money doing what we love, or that we are not worthy of prosperity. As we recognize that these stories are simply thoughts and not the truth, we can gently let them go and return to our natural state of creativity, joy, and abundance. Remember that no matter how deeply you've buried your desires, they are a force of evolution and growth that can never be completely denied. You are here to fulfill a unique purpose in the world, and your desires are clues that lead you directly to the expression of your destiny. As you live your love and purpose, you will be held in the arms of abundance. You were born to deeply receive the bounties that Spirit provides. All that is required of you is to say yes. Take a deep breath and receive. 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 As we prepare to meditate, let's consider our centering thought. I choose abundance. I choose abundance. Let's begin. Please sit comfortably and close your eyes. In this moment, go within. Let go of all thoughts and begin to observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. Inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. Now, gently introduce the mantra. It is the sound Om Bhavam Namah, which means I am absolute existence. I am a field of all possibilities. Repeat the mantra silently to yourself. Om Bhavam Namah. Om Bhavam Namah. Whenever you find yourself distracted by thoughts or noises around you, simply return your attention to silently repeating the mantra. Om Bhavam Namah. Continue with your meditation. I'll mind the time, and at the end you'll hear me ring a soft bell. It's time to release the mantra. Please bring your awareness back into your body. Take a moment to rest. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Approach today with certainty as you contemplate the centering thought. I choose abundance. I choose abundance. I choose abundance. Namaste.